We are all children of nature, but over half of us live in cities. More than ever, children need to play in nature to be spontaneous, free, confident, and happy. When children play in nature, they learn about their bodies. They integrate all their senses so they grow in confidence. Walking on uneven ground develops their sense of balance. Climbing a tree builds muscles and teaches them about risk and just how far they can go. Mud and mess teach them about control, and swimming in the sea or a river literally immerses them in the natural world. When children play in nature, they can express emotions. Big, open spaces are great for big feelings as they shout into the wind, yell as they run through a forest, or scream with laughter as they swing from a tree. And there's science behind this, as nature play releases the happiness hormone, serotonin, which helps balance out the stress hormone, cortisol. Playing in nature is the best way for children to learn. The complex patterns of the natural world develop more sophisticated neuron pathways in the brain, so their language develops better. It also helps their eyes develop, and daylight is the best remedy for short-sightedness. Above all, the more children can play in nature, the more they will love it, understand it, and care for it for a sustainable future. Nature makes us happier, healthier, and even helps us live longer. That's why it's a key part of the developmental play model, to give children the best start in life for the best chance in life.